Organizing your home can be a pain, but you know what? Sometimes you can find a simple solutions that look fantastic, and that's what I have today for us. I have a 3-piece set right here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to go ahead and put these here together. I love these things, but there's only one thing I don't like. It does not come with instructions, but stay tuned because you know what? I'm gonna show you exactly how to put these together, and some of them are not as simple as what you think they are, but they are once you figure out how to actually do it. Because it took me a little bit to figure out how to put these in here, but I'm gonna give you guys my secret, which is super easy to do because it doesn't come with instructions. My only pet peeve about these products. Okay, let's go ahead and jump in here real quick. So it does come with a nice 3-piece large set. We're gonna go and measure these out right here so we make sure it fits in your areas and stuff like that. But it's a great way to go ahead and organize your home, organize kids' toys, a whole bunch of other things along the way. So let's open one up here. This is the finished product, by the way. This here's what it all looks like with it. That is the finished product. And we're gonna go ahead and measure this here all out. So the very first thing we're gonna do, now they do come with different sizes and styles too as well. So this here is the gray set. This is 17 inches. And going width-wise is a foot, so 12 inches. So 17 by 12 in this 3-pack right here that I have. Okay, so you just open it up like this right here. This come with this stuff right here. Don't need that. You're gonna go ahead and put in this bottom right here. It's gonna go ahead and keep it open for you. Now you're gonna see two different sides. This one here, this little loop thing is gonna let you pull this out and go ahead and put it all back down again. So you wanna make sure that this loop part right here is actually facing up, just like so. So we just go ahead and put this in here just like that with it. We're almost done. Now all we have to do is put these little guys here on. These here are the handles. Fantastic high quality rope handles right here. And one thing I do like is that they actually added this little tape on the end so that way it's not going to fray on you. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do this. Just go ahead and put this right here into this side, pull it through so you have enough length here, and you're just going to go ahead and give it a knot. Just a simple regular knot, just like that, and pull it nice and tight. Now you're going to go ahead and do that with the other side too. Pull this tight and pull this here through as well. And there you go. That's all you have to do. And then once you do that, just go ahead and pull the handle out and you have your handle. You just do the same exact thing on the other side. Okay, we got them all done right there. So all 3 right there are done in just a couple of minutes, and then you are ready to store everything away for you right there. And if you guys like this video over here, don't forget to hit subscribe, and you guys can go ahead and find this product right here if you guys want to get this specific one right here in this card right here, to go ahead and click on that one right there, or down in the description below. And YouTube also thinks that you guys might like this video over here as well. And we'll see you on the next one.